Hey, sweetness.
Let me show you how to create this simple Nora sole for your female slides. First, you'll be needing your iron brush, your scissors, your gum and gum brush, your pen and your template, and of course your Nora sole. I'm using a Nora 3 for this. First thing you need to do is to place your template or your pattern on your Nora and draw it out the way I'm doing in the video. And then you use your scissors. A blunt scissors will do to cut out your Nora exactly as I'm doing. So for a beginner, you need to cut out outside the line, but if you are already an expert, you can cut exactly on the line that you drew out. After cutting out your Nora, the next step is to create your heel. So for this, I'm doing a size 39, so I'll be using a 2.5 inches as the height of my heel. So I'm just measuring it out on my Nora. For a size 36 to 37, I would use a 2-inch heel height. For a size 38 to 39, I'll use a 2.5 inch heel height. For a size 40 to 41, I'll use a 3-inch heel height. And for a size 42 to 43, I'll use a 3.5 heel height if I'm doing a female shoe. So I'm just adding 0.5 inches to each height as the size of the shoe increases. Please let me know in the comments if you do not understand what I mean, and I'll explain better. So for my sole, I'll be doubling the heel. So I'm using 2 heel per 1 odd of sole, just to make it very thick and very strong, so it will last very long for the person. So I marked it at the back of my sole, and I went ahead to scratch it off using my filing machine. I have a course coming up where I would show you beginners how to use a filing machine. So I'm just applying my gum on the parts that I've scratched out, and this helps for the gum to adhere very well and to hold strongly to the sole. Placing the heel to the sole, I had some excess that I needed to trim out so that it would be easy for me when I'm filing it. So I'm just trying to trim it out with my cutter here. If you're a beginner, you can skip this part to the next part, and the next part is to place them together using your gum. Just apply the gum at the edge the way I did in the video. Place them together and then you file them, and that is it for creating your sole.